Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the latest edition Fossil Gen 5 Smartwatch Garrett. I got this watch shipped to me at Mumbai and had been eagerly waiting for it. The watch comes with this packing, which I think is fairly good. I would prefer a metallic case, but that is just a personal choice. The watch is powered by Google Wear OS, which is compatible with both Android and iOS. The watch runs on Snapdragon 3100 processor, has 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage. The Garrett comes with minutes inscribed on its dial, which gives it an amazing look. The packing also includes a USB magnetic charger and instruction manual to help you with the setting up process. Garrett is available in 5 colors and all of them look stunning. Other than black, I also like the silver variant. Screen size of the smartwatch is 1.28 inches, which I think is very comfortable to navigate through its features. I have also got myself a black silicone band, which would go perfect with this. The watch is compatible with all 22mm bands and you have a range to choose from. The silicone band makes the watch comparatively lighter. It would be perfect for sports, workout and swimming as the watch is swim-proof with 30-meter water resistance. The stainless steel strap would be great for an evening look and with your formal wear. I'm gonna put this on charge now and pair it up with my phone. Before you pair up your watch, make sure you download the Google Wear app on your phone. The watch will then guide you through the pairing up process. The touchscreen is very sensitive and responsive. You can now personalize your watch by downloading more apps and customizing buttons. The watch face is your home screen. As you swipe right, we get Google Fit and other tiles which can be customized as well. On your left, you can activate the Google Assistant. At the top, we have various settings with quick access icons, and at the bottom, your notification bar. The center button takes you to Play Store and apps installed on your watch. The watch has various battery modes like daily, extended, customized and time only, which can be set up as required. I've been using the watch on daily mode for a week now, and it gives me a fairly good battery life. Fossil gives you about 53 default watch faces to choose from, and you can get many more on Play Store. The watch also has an inbuilt speaker and microphone, which means you can make both phone calls and listen to music on your watch. The speaker sound is fairly good for a watch, provided you are not in a crowded place. Let me play some music on the watch for you to get the feel of it. The Garrett comes in 5 options and is priced at $295 in the United States and Rs 22,995 in India. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please like, comment and share if you find my review informative. Cheers.